How to delete TikTok account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options. Simply click on settings and privacy. After you have clicked on settings and privacy, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on the first option, which is account. In account section, click on account and then go to deactivate or delete account. In here, simply click on delete account permanently. You need to add reason why you want to leave TikTok or simply skip the question. You can also request download of your TikTok data. Click on continue. Again, click on continue. Then mail will be sent to your account that is linked to your TikTok. Simply add the code in here and click on delete account and your account will be deleted. This is how to delete TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.